Hi, I'm Jared. I'm from Premier Law Group, and today I'm going to answer the question, should I purchase UIM or UM coverage? And the answer to that is yes. But before we get to why you want to get that coverage, let's explain what that is. UM is uninsured motorist coverage, and UIM is underinsured motorist coverage. And though they're a little bit different, they essentially cover the same thing. Uninsured motorist coverage gives you protection in case you're involved in a motor vehicle accident with someone who has no automobile insurance. And underinsured motorist coverage is coverage that you have, and that gives you kind of a safety net in case the person that you're involved in a collision with doesn't have enough coverage. Now, what you need to understand is in Washington State, the minimum limits that people by law have to have are $25,000 in liability coverage. And essentially what that means is if you get hit by someone who only has $25,000 or the minimum in liability coverage, that means that if you get in a car crash and let's say you break your leg, and because of that broken leg you end up having to have a surgery, and let's say because of that broken leg you end up with about $100,000 in medical bills. Well, if the person that hit you only has the minimum limits or $25,000, their insurance company is only on the hook to pay you that $25,000. So you're left with the $75,000 plus just in medical bills, and that may not even cover wage loss and other pain and suffering damages. And so you're going to be in a tough spot. And what underinsured motorist coverage does is it gives you additional coverage in case the person that hits you and causes you injuries only has a small amount and it's exceeded by what your injuries are. So it's really important to have both of those because that's going to give you a form of a safety net in case you're injured and the other person's insurance limits don't cover what your injuries are. If you have any more questions, you can give us a call or you can visit our website at www.premierlawgroup.com.